So TeePublic added a new product to their site, and it is hats. So in this video, I'm going to talk everything TeePublic hats. I'm going to show you the two kinds of hats that they have. I'm going to show you how to upload it, all the details about the hats, and I actually got one. So I'm going to show you how it arrives in the mail, what it looks like in person, and give you my thoughts on it. So let's go to TeePublic right now, and I'll show you everything I know about hats. All right, so here we are on TeePublic. You might have noticed this if you've been on TeePublic recently. They're promoting this right here, hat drop. So there's two styles, this style and this style. They're calling this the trucker hat, and I think they're calling this the dad hat. I'm going to show you what it is. But if you click on here and you hit shop hats, they're kind of promoting some of their best hats here, I guess. I don't think they have a lot of information on what the best-selling hat is right now because it just started. But you can add hats to your design. So let's go to my shop. I'll show you how to do this. My store, and I'll just go to popular. And let's say I scroll down and I want to make this a hat. So I'm going to click in here. We're going to edit this, that, and hats are going to automatically be added already to all your stuff, whatever you have. Now you can click on it and you can edit it and say you want more colors. Let's say, by default, they're gonna select a few colors. So if I wanted to add the red and white on here, which doesn't make sense because I have white text, right? I wouldn't put that on here. So I think by default, it knows like, I only wanted dark colors on this one, right? Yeah, so I only picked dark colors on this one. So it knew on the hat to only pick dark colors. You can see it didn't do that light color or these white, which is the white ones on here. And there's two kinds of hats, so I don't think it put it on the dad hat by automatically. I'm not sure where the dad hat went. Let me show you all the different hats. So let's come back on here. I'll go to TeePublic, and I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to go to TeePublic blog, and I'm going to hit new product. And we can see right here, first is the trucker hat. So this is the ones right here. These are all the colors. Like I said, there's some dark ones and some light ones, which is really smart because there are some things that, some designs that only work on dark shirts and some designs that only work on white, and they have both. And the same thing here, they have a light version of it and a dark version here. But these are 9 colors for the trucker hats available in these sizes because they're snapback, so they can change the sizes. Foam front piece, and I actually got one of these, so if you stay till the end, I'll show you this one right here, the red one I got, and kind of show you in person what it looks like. We can zoom in. And the price is $19 at full price and $15 on sale, which kind of match the t-shirt prices, and you actually get the same royalty. So you get $4 if you're on here full price and $2 on sale. And if you're apprentice, same thing that you get on t-shirts, 3 and 1. So here's the dad hat specs here. And let's look at this. These are all of them right here. This one's a little more premium, I'm guessing, because it's a little more, the price is a little higher, 24 and 19. But I believe you get the same royalties, and we'll check on that a little later. But these are all the colors. So a lot of cool ones. You can see how you can add it here. Configure your design for hats right here. And when people come in, they can actually pick, so when you pick these colors right here, you're also picking the street of the dad hat. So that's why we didn't see it here under colors. It's when you buy it. When you buy it, then you can switch between dad hat. So let me show you that. I'm gonna go back to mine, and you can find it under accessories tab like we just did. So according to that, let's go back to TeePublic. When you're buying the hat, so let me go back to my account, view my store. Let's see, go back to popular. I'm doing this because this is the hat that I ordered. So I ordered this Living the Dream hat. So let's see, I'm gonna buy it this time, and we have to go to accessories. There it is, hat, $19. You're right, so dad hat is here with the different colors, all the dark ones, which is really cool. Little slimmer, right? Dad hat, and then the trucker hat is a little bigger, and I got this one, this red one, and we'll see that. And we got the snapback here, and the dad hat is kind of this pull back, this kind of almost like a buckle thing, right? Okay, so next thing is earnings. So if we go to the earnings tab and we go down here, I'm sure you guys want to know, and I think I said it already, but see hat. So trucker hat and dad hat both. $4 royalties for each sale, kind of like a t-shirt, and 2 for each sale. And this is the artisan, and then the apprentice, kind of like the t-shirts. You see the t-shirts $3, $1 on sale. Same thing if we go down here, both the trucker hat and the dad hat, $1 and $1. So there you go. So those are the royalties. That's how you add it. And we saw the different ones. So now I'm gonna go get the hat that I just got in the mail. All right, so I ordered one from TeePublic, that one that I showed you, the red one, and this is what it came in. And it came in a full box. So very protected, first of all. Not your hat's not folded. It's in here. Let me show you, just like that. It fits right in the box. And then I'll take this out and put this down here. And this is it. Kind of nice and soft. I like the feeling of it, the trucker hat. And then this is also kind of soft too. Like it's a little softer than this. Not totally foam, but you can kind of, like right here is kind of foamy. Not foamy, but you know, you can push on it a little bit. And what does it say? Oh yeah, foam front. So that's what it says, world famous foam front. So I guess that was white trucker hat. So you can kind of, it's nice. It's nice and padded. And then you got this pad back here. And I didn't take this out yet, but this is protected right here. And you can take that out, I'm sure. Let me see. Yeah, I think that was just in there to protect it while shipping, but you'd take that out, and I'm sure you'd take the sticker off. I don't know if people wear it with the sticker on it, but yeah, made by Auto here, right here. So pretty cool. And yeah, and a snapback too, so you can do it. So pretty cool, nice size. Let me see what it looks like when I wear it. Yeah, that's probably the fit that I want. Yeah, nice size. And it prints really well. Let me switch hats again. The print is really nice. It's I don't know if you can see that, but I think it's even better than print on demand. It looks kind of like vinyl. Like when you touch it, it kind of feels like vinyl. So interesting how they did that. So nice print. Of course, this is just one color. I probably should try it with I should have bought one with multiple colors, but the one color, this white on red, is perfect. The lines are really clean, if you can see that. Like it's not blurry at all. And then you have this like all trucker hat. So very good quality, I think, for the price. Comes in a nice box, so doesn't get smashed or anything. So I think this is great. I think it'll do good. I don't know if I've sold any yet besides the one that I bought myself, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm excited to see it. They say it's the #1 requested product. I do have a couple of hats. I don't have more hats than I have shirts, but I might order more hats to test them out. I might have to order the dad hat. Let me know in the comments if you want me to order the dad hat and which one. Go to my shop and see which one would be a good test to do with the colors and stuff. I think I should kind of test out the colors and see how well it does it. So I hope this video is really helpful for you to know more about hats, and hopefully you can see how to do it, the royalties and everything. It's a pretty cool product. It's nice to, when print on demand sites add more products, because it just helps us get more sales, hopefully, especially in Q4. So thanks again for watching, and let me know in the comments if there's a hat that I should buy, a trucker hat, or what design on my site. I think that would be really helpful. Maybe I can do another video to show you the design and how it prints on top of the hat. If you want to see another TeePublic video, I'll put my latest TeePublic video right up here. You can see more about TeePublic there. And thanks again for watching. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one.